The main focus is to take you with me and to inspire people and to show them that if I can do it, then they can do it. Okay, so we're gonna give some whiskey to Neptune. It's a really good whiskey, and you can do the honors. Well, a very good morning to you, and welcome to another episode of the Paperboat Project. This is the second episode of the boys' trip. We are in St. Francis, and you sailed you with us, and we hope that you're gonna have a great trip with us this episode. One of my paperboat dreams has always been to sail with my brother, who's never sailed before, and some friends. And I've been abroad for a long time, and it's just never worked out that anybody could have just come and joined me and sail. Like, nobody's ever come to the Dominican Republic, to the Caribbean, to Europe, to anywhere to come and sail with me. And they organized this delivery, and they all took off work. They kind of abducted me. What's that word? Abducted me, and it's the second leg of our trip now, and you're gonna come with us. It's gonna be a beautiful sail. It's gonna be a beautiful day. I'm not gonna be able to show you much of St. Francis. We're only stopping here for a little bit. We sailed in the morning, like 3:30 a.m. We came in. Difficult passage, but the adventure continues, my friend. To the old time road, I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. Ain't nobody tell me nothing. Tell me nothing.
Arnold's gonna say a few words for us here.
Okay.
For Neptune to
it's your first sail.
Seas and fair winds.
Yes.
Safe passage, fair winds, and calm seas.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you. Salud. Vat 'n slukkie.
Yes. Neptune.
Yeah. Fish on, baby. Fish on. Hey. Okay, will you steer first, Bernard?
Got color.
You got color?
Yeah, check it out.
Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in, bring it in. We have dinner, boys.
Got something else here. No, stop first.
Ja, ons het twee.
Ons twee. Okay.
Guys, you've seen me catch a lot of stuff and cook a lot of stuff, but right now I'm steering, and so I can't wait for that fresh fish to come into my mouth. Jan is gonna prepare it for us today, so I'm gonna ask one of the crew members to film Jan while I'm steering. Maybe I'll go down a little bit, but when it's your watch, it's your watch. So you cannot leave the helm. That's how it works on the ocean. Loosen the starboard side green sheet line. Make sure it's loose. Starboard side on the primary winch.
Skipjacks we've got, fry them without touching the pan.
Tell me about that. Fry them without touching the pan.
So the fish will never touch the pan. Bottom of the pan is going to be onions, garlic, nice butter. You're going to put in some mushrooms, and in the end you put that on the bun as the sauce.
Oh, wow.
Leave the skin on, protection. The skin will come off once the fish is done. The rest of the stuff goes to the ocean, goes back to Neptune.
Okay, so we were sailing just off the point of Port Elizabeth, and Jan and I was in the cockpit and we saw a lot of bird action. And we were trotting at about 4.5, 4.6 knots. And as I went through a school of fish, I could see the static is speeding. I could see the small bait fish. And I just put the revs up a little bit to about 5.5 knots of trolling speed, and we're on both Rapalas. So just once again shows you, the right speed is definitely necessary to catch these guys. Imagine being in your kitchen and the floor's moving all the time. So is the stove. At least it's on a gimbal, so it stays at a flat surface. Any case, I'm gonna be cooking for you now. My watch is over, so I'm gonna make some sashimi, and I'm also gonna make some nice tuna steaks. You, my friend, are gonna watch me do it, and I hope that you're enjoying it. Okay, so our fish is nice and steamed. Basically mushrooms, carrots and onions, and then that steams the fish. The fish never touches the pan. That looks really nice. Salt and pepper, a little bit of soya sauce, and you're ready to eat it. Have a beautiful view. Check this sunset, people. Sitting on the bow and I'm looking at the most beautiful sunset, which I just showed you, and I'll show you again. And I'm like, this is why I do it. I like being out here. It's something that moves my heart. So I actually had a very nice phone call from Dan and Kika from Sailing Uma this afternoon. They just phoned me out of the blue, and they were just felt that they needed to say something to me, and I was like, man, thanks guys. All is good in the hood on the ocean in South Africa. That's where you are right now, and I'm going to show you the sunset. Isn't that nice? You can just look at that for hours and hours on end. Think about everything that bugs you and just get rid of it. Morning guys, it's 3:30 a.m. We're just arriving in St. Francis Bay right now. Massive reef that we had to avoid, and now coming into this very narrow channel with lots of rocks. Oh, you made it with us. Have a lucky day. My very good friends Dan and Kika from Sailing Uma. The next time you guys and I sail together, I hope it's going to be somewhere in the Med or in South Africa. The last time we sailed together, we dropped a whole pan of oil on Uma's floor in the galley because we were wanting to dance. I don't know if you guys saw that episode, but it was really fun. Dan and Kika, miss you guys. See you soon. Okay, breakfast buns are served. So you take your bacon, your egg, mushrooms, onion with garlic, and you put that on a bun, and you smile.
You can't put me in the bacon.
What? You can't put me eating bacon, you say?
Once in a lifetime in St. Francis.
Sailor shower. So, he's never taken a shower outside a real shower in his life, have you? Never.
So guys, we have Stefan that wants me to tell you about my experience showering on the dock. I wasn't born in this madness. Firstly, he wants me to take a piss over the dock, so I'm contemplating if the bathroom is not a better option, but I ended up pissing over the dock.
But you know what, everything I've seen since we've done our Yachtmaster, you like so skitterish to do it, but after you like, that was the best shower. That was the best experience. Cheers boys. On the first passage, done.
Cheers.
Salute.
Just all the others.
We just had Stefan show us some white boy tricks.
Lekker by die see. And the guys decided to start challenging each other. So we're challenging each other to do tricks off this thing. I'm the oldest and the biggest, so I didn't do any trick, I just jumped in. But this guy is a lifesaver. Let's see what he can do.
Ethan, let's see how fast you can swim.
Jump to the bridge. Freestyle. Freestyle.
Then back. First time jumping in the ocean.
Okay, now the fun gets even better. We're gonna all do a backflip. Go, G. Quickly.
I can't see.
Go, backflip. Go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, together. Let's just try. Go.
Fuck that shit.
Go. Try.
I'm gonna jump directly down.
Go, Z. Come on, go. Come on, Z, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Let me do a
Okay, do a front flip.
Actually, let me do a backflip. I dared this guy to eat the hottest chilies that we've ever tasted.
No, you cannot. I am not even joking.
No, I can't, but I can.
Oh my goodness. Come on, boys. I never opted in for this challenge.
No.
No, it's just a small. Come on, take a big bite. Take a big bite. Take a big bite. Take another one. Take a big bite.
Maar hij maakt je lekker met mijn maag in.
Top.
We have the last bit of chilies.
I'm not doing
Captain
it. I'm not
Leeu.
doing it.
We're gonna pay him.
No. It's too much.
Come Stefan.
It's too hard.
Come Stefan.
You must.
Keep it.
Take it. Yo, hol gaan brul vanaand, chap. Okay, so the deal is I'll pay his tab if he makes a backflip off that bridge, which clearly says no jumping. Okay, go. Go, Ethan. Yes! See you next time, and remember, you're awesome, bro. And thanks for hanging out. Subscribe and share this video with people, and let's grow this YouTube channel together, you and I. Check you later.